Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is Soon Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis or the chart analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see that previously the candles went to the resistance level and then fall started. So candles have gone beyond this also. And then you can see continuously the candles are falling now. Okay, and if you go to the weekly chart, you can see that after this like candles have gone up to the resistance level and then continuously the fall is happening. So if you draw the trend line, so you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are falling. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that candles are falling in this channel pattern. So you can see after this continuous fall, the breakout happened and then candles have started moving in a upward direction. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is resistance and this is support. So after the fall to the support level, the candles went up, again the fall happened. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and you can see there's a breakout happened. So candles may start moving towards the resistance level. Okay, it may move to the resistance level and then from there again the fall may take place. If there is a breakout happen, then candles may uptrend channel pattern, or if the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down to support level and then it may move to the resistance level. So like this it may move in this channel pattern, and then after breakout the candles may start moving towards this resistance level. So it may come to this level, that is around 1.03, and if there is a breakout happen, it may go further towards this resistance level, which is around you can see it is around 5.5 if the breakout happens from here. Okay, so you can see very clearly how these candles are moving, and if you go to daily chart, you can see that currently you can see candles are moving, already started moving in an upward direction. It may move to the resistance level and then fall may take place, or else it may start moving in an upward direction in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, so now I'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is AWE coin, and you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candles went to the resistance level and then fall is happening. If you go to the weekly chart also, you can see continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are falling, and you can see that after the fall to the support level, candles are now moving in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, and after the candles went up continuously, the candles are falling. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So here you can see candles almost near to the resistance level here. Okay, you can see that after this breakout candles came down support, again it went up, fall happened, again the candles are moving up, and from here the reversal may take place, candles may come down support like this, it may move, and after the breakout it may go to the resistance level and then fall. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down support, again it may move up, and then finally if the breakout happens, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level, which is around 1.128138, and then fall may take place. Okay, so you can see that currently the candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. If there is a breakout happen here, it may go up or else it will fall to support, and then after the breakout only you may see a good rally. Okay, so this will take some time, and since the candles are moving in upward direction, you can see RS is also moving in upward direction, and signal MACD is above the signal line, that means the uptrend is going on, and when the reversal takes place you may see the same reversal happening in RSA and MACD also. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.